Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create an account on Etsy.com. First, open your web browser and search for Etsy. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page. Click on Register. Enter your email address. Enter your first name. Create and enter a password. Click on Register. If you encounter an error, open your Gmail. Compose a new email. In the To section, type support@etsy.com. In the subject line, type error in registering your account. In the email body, write I am facing a problem registering my Etsy account. Send the email. Alternatively, you can continue the registration process using Google. Go back to the Etsy registration page. Select Continue with Google. Choose the Google account you want to use. Click on Continue. Now as you can see, your Etsy account has been created. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.